Greeting, my friends. I hope you're all doing very well. If not, spend some time here, drink a cup of coffee or tea, relax a bit as we look at a kit from WOC, which is a Breguet 14 B2. This kit came out 2006 and is scale 133. I love this kit already off the bat because they tend to look unique, more like kites than plain. And as you can see, we have the instructions and the history and the wiring diagram. Now this diagram is for wire stiffeners. So you just lay on it, you twist anything smaller than a paper clip. Now I usually use what you find in the florist shop, those little wire strands that I use to circle around the stem of roses. Is thin enough yet still strong enough to do this. So that's what I use. So you can use what works for you, but that's what I use. And here we have the bum that you can build to put on the wing underside, and of course a wheel. And here a diagram of how it basically look with the stringers and the rigging and the stiffeners. Now this sheet is just telling you what's available from them so far and the models they have, that in case you're interested. Now here's what I want you to pay careful attention to. You basically have almost 2 models in this kit. It's lovely. It's a lovely kit. Yes? But then as you go here, 160-gram sheet, standard and looking good. You see this? See this? They're shades lighter. Okay, if you look here, see darker, richer shade compared to this, which is toned down and lighter. So I want you to just see that. Here we go. Slightly darker, slightly lighter, slightly more saturated on this sheet than it is on that sheet. All right. And the wing here, it's beautiful. As you can see, this is the lower wing, set of wing, and you can tell because the insignia is on the bottom side, which is plain. The camo side is upright on the top side. Nice. For this, what I will do is just simply cut these out and replace with plastic so that it gives that level of realism. And then we have same underside, which is now a shade lighter. So it's important that you pay attention to when you're building that you don't mix the two up. And here we have the upper wing surface area. You can see the aileron here that goes onto here, insignia on top. You have the stabilizer. You have the fin, rudder fin, and pretty much that's it. You have the prop, the wheel. This is the wing strut. And here you have the wheel, the prop, upper side of the wing, the wheel strut, landing gear strut, and then the other set that's more saturated and slightly darker. So pay attention to that while you're building this kit. It's very important. And then of course we finish with the other half, but that's more saturated. So pretty much it looks like it's a simple kit, simple enough, straightforward enough. So we shall know when we start building. Being from 2006, I should not expect it to be overly complicated, but we'll see. We will see. And then of course you have the different models that's available from the company. Here we have, of course, sheet that needs to be reinforced using a 1mm thick cardstock so that you can build your structure on which to put your panels on. And then instruction, twin Lewis machine gun, your bomb, the fuselage setup, and of course the rigging in the center the engine with the engine exhaust. This is supposed to look pretty interesting when done. So pretty much that is it. One day I promised myself that I will get into armor, but not anytime soon. So that's it for the Breguet 14 B2. So my friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and consider supporting me and going on, click subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see me build and review. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and above all, one love.